Welcome! Today we're going to walk through a simple and updated way to disable the Vibrate feature for emergency alerts on the X app. If you find the vibrations intrusive or just want to customize your alert preferences, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it in just a few easy steps. Let's get right to it. First, grab your phone and open your settings. This is where all your app and notification controls live. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section shows you every app installed on your device. Find and tap on the X app from the list. Once you're inside the X app settings, look for the Notifications option and tap it. This will open up all notification preferences related specifically to X. Now, go ahead and select Notification Categories. This is where notifications get divided into specific types to give you more control. In this menu, tap on Emergency Alerts. This is important because emergency alerts often have their own settings, separate from normal notifications due to their urgency. Finally, you'll see the option to toggle Vibrate on or off. Just switch this off to disable vibrations specifically for emergency alerts from the X app, and that's it. By following these steps, starting from your phone settings, through apps, notifications, notification categories, and emergency alerts, you've successfully turned off Vibrate for emergency alerts on the X app. This means you'll still receive the notifications, but without the vibration. Customizing notification settings like this helps you stay informed on your terms, reducing interruptions without missing critical alerts. If you ever want to turn vibration back on, just repeat the steps and toggle Vibrate to the on position again. Thanks for watching.